Welcome to Learn with Gravity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create monetizable AI-powered YouTube Shorts without even showing your face. And the tool we'll be using is InVideo.io, a powerful video creation platform designed for people who want to create stunning videos in just minutes. First, head over to InVideo.io. If you haven't already, sign up, it's free. Once you're in, click on Create and choose Create AI Video. To create a YouTube Short, scroll down to the Workflows and Plugins section. Here you'll see multiple options like YouTube Explainer Script to Video and YouTube Shorts. Click on YouTube Shorts. Now comes the fun part. Let's start by filling in the details for our video. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a short on unknown facts about Alexander the Great. First, I set the video pacing to fast-paced and select intense and mysterious music. InVideo offers a huge variety of languages, so if you need your short in another language, they've got you covered. Next, you can choose the type of voice for the voiceover. InVideo provides a ton of options. After that, decide if you want subtitles. There are many types available, and you can adjust the style to match your video. Now, one of the best features is the ability to select from a large library of assets from iStock and Storyblocks for your B-roll footage. For background music, I'm going with the best audio available, and here's the best part: all the clips and music you use are copyright-free. So no worries about monetization. Once all the details are filled out, simply click Continue and generate video, and InVideo's AI will take it from here. As the video is processing, let me explain what's happening in the background. InVideo's AI is analyzing your prompt and target audience, researching the best way to structure the content, and generating a script. Then, it'll create a voiceover, match the visuals, and seamlessly edit everything together. If you've added subtitles, those will also be included automatically. And just like that, in a few minutes, your video is ready to go. Simply download it, and your YouTube Short is now ready for upload. That's how easy it is to create monetizable AI Shorts with InVideo.io. Don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Gravity for more tutorials like this, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos.